Armageddon out there. We got no power. Look what I woke up to. The fucking door. The door flew open. Look. The fucking door flew open. The dog can't even get out. I gotta start shoveling the inside of the fucking house. Oh my god, we must not have. For the dog. The dog. I wonder why I'm freezing. Even though there's no power. Armageddon. Start shoveling. Here we go. Unbelievable. There you go, guys. There's my fucking morning. Throughout the night. I've been outside. Door won't shut. We're fucked. So I've been outside getting the camper ready. Brutal. I had to get into the shed. Then I had to get a propane torch to heat up this door so I could try and get in. Then once I got in, you heat up the thermostat inside because the furnace won't turn on unless the thermostat's warm. Okay, it's minus 12 outside, by the way. Okay, furnace still on. See, this thermostat, gotta keep it. It's at 36, can't go below 30, 32 or 3. So far we got a little bit of heat going on in here. I'm gonna try and heat up the generator so it starts. Put a little bit of fuel in it. There's nowhere we're going anywhere out here. Christmas Eve, 2022. God, I love winter. It's the best shit going. Attack and attack! So this is coming up Gorham Road. 2 trees down on each side. This is the only way out. There must be 3-4 feet snow. I can't see. The whole road's, you can't get by. Oh, and I don't think I can get by this way. There's a whole tree across the road. Not getting out this way. 4 cars, done. This way, not sure. I'm gonna go for it. This truck is fucking awesome. Colorado ZR2. Oh my god. 4 vehicles. 4 more here. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, this whole road is fucked. People, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. Done. I gotta find a way around. See if I can get by, get out, trying to even get out of this, trying to get out of town. Dog's freaking out here. Okay, well, we got another vehicle up here. Done. See if we can find a gas station to find some fuel. Okay, day 3. No power, wind has stopped. And we got people in front of the camper stuck. So this guy got stuck. He's got 2, 3, 4 feet. He's in running shoes, track pants, no gloves in a winter storm. Now they're trying to put salt in front. He's got another guy with a broom. And then there's a nice lady coming to help, who I don't think she should help boneheads like this guy. He's actually too high above the snow. So this car is stuck. Done. What a bonehead. There's actually sun. Oh. Oh, now they got a little old lady in the car. And she's gonna try and watch. It's not even gonna move. Watch. Because look at four guys. Here they go. Oh, she doesn't. They're pushing without her even giving it gas yet. She's not even giving the car gas and they're trying to move it. Okay. Track pants man's getting bummed out now. Good old track pants. Smart thinking, bud. Day 4. Christmas Day. We just had our Christmas dinner. Turkey's on a bun. That's kind of cool though. At least we're probably the only one on the street's got TV. I need a goddamn shower. Well, it's Monday morning. Day 4. Still no power. Across the street has some power. And I don't know about all the way up the road yet, but this little area where I'm at, no power yet. There is a big tree that's been down just around the next block. Maybe they haven't got to it. I'm gonna put a heater in the bathroom. See if I can have a fucking shower. Take a shit. Thank God for the generator. Looks like we got 3 or 4 more inches of snow. Beauty. What a Christmas holiday. Time for a shower. Got some heat going on. Kind of could have did this a bit earlier, but I was worried about the pipes. I don't know, didn't want to run water through them, I guess, but shower time. Get my stinky nuts all cleaned up. Oh yeah. This guy's not going nowhere anytime soon. This guy. He's not going anywhere anytime soon either. This bad boy, right around the block for me, is still down. Got our supplies. Heading back. Christmas breakfast.
Glazed potato chips.
Nugget's eating more than I am, and we're heading back. Well, since Friday morning-ish, or early afternoon Friday, storm started, lost power. It is now Monday, 2 o'clock. We got power. Yay! House is at 52, so I'm gonna come in a few minutes, but whew, we got power. It is over. We survived. Well, that's a wrap. We survived. Blizzard of 22. Today is Wednesday, and I just dug out the hot tub. Yep, she survived. She didn't die, nothing's good. I'm so happy for that. But I still got all of this here. I can't even get at it. I can't even have one. But it's supposed to get nice and warm, so maybe it'll melt. But that's it. It's all over, boys. That was it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully get back to doing some riding. I can't wait for the spring. Okay, see you later.